If you want to set up an email autoresponder on Beehiiv, this video will walk you through the full process step by step, so you can build a welcome sequence that sends automatically to new subscribers. This is one of the best ways to save time, stay consistent, and make sure every new person who joins your list gets the right emails at the right time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Beehiiv and get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Audience. This is where Beehiiv keeps your subscriber-related tools and list management options. After that, click on Automations. This is the section where you can build automated email flows that send based on subscriber actions. Now click Create Automation. Beehiiv will give you a couple of options here, and you can either start with a new automation from scratch or choose a welcome email template if you want a faster setup. If you're just getting started, using a template can be a great way to save time, but if you want full control over your sequence, starting fresh is a great choice too. Next, you need to choose the trigger for your automation. Select Signed Up as the trigger. This tells Beehiiv to begin the sequence automatically whenever a new subscriber joins your list. That is what makes it an autoresponder, because the emails are sent based on the sign-up event without you needing to manually follow up each time. Once the trigger is selected, click Add Action. From the action options, select Send Email. This is where you will create your first autoresponder message. Write your email subject line, add your content, and make sure the message feels welcoming and clear. Usually, this first email is where you introduce yourself, explain what subscribers can expect, and give them a strong first impression. When your first email is ready, click Save. After saving the first message, it is time to build the rest of the sequence. Click Add Delay. This is the step that controls how long Beehiiv waits before sending the next email in the automation. Choose how many days you want to wait before the next email goes out. You can keep it short if you want a quick onboarding sequence, or space the emails out more if you are building a longer nurture funnel. Once the delay is set, click Add Action again and select Send Email. Now create your second email in the sequence. This email could share more value, offer a helpful tip, link to a popular post, or guide the subscriber to the next step you want them to take. After that, you can continue repeating the same process. Add a delay, then add another email, then another delay, and so on for the rest of your sequence. This is how you build a complete autoresponder flow that runs automatically in the background. A good strategy is to keep each email focused on one main idea, so your subscribers do not feel overwhelmed. Before publishing, take a moment to review the entire automation workflow carefully. Check the trigger, make sure the delays are correct, and confirm that each email appears in the right order. This step is important because once the workflow is live, it will run automatically for every new subscriber. When everything looks good, click Publish. And that's it. Your Beehiiv email autoresponder is now set up and ready to welcome subscribers automatically. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials, email marketing tips, and simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.